used to enjoy life. Now, we have to sometimes be quiet, even inside our house. That destroys the family fabric. The family is asking, do we have to buy guns to protect ourselves? What about our security system? Is it enough? Now that I have your attention, I'd like you to know I am a Catholic priest. I like to sing, I like to dance. I don't like to hear that my nose is flat. My name is Galileo Jumaoas. I'm the Interim Executive Director of the Multi-Ethnic Education Economic Development Center, the MEED Center. People cannot pronounce my last name. It's Spanish, Chinese, Filipino. My last name alone is already a diversity. I used to be in real estate for 15 years. When I did my real estate work, I do the cold calling on the phone, and then when they see me, the first question they ask is, where you come from? They won't take me as their realtor because I have a different color and a different origin. I lost so many sales. When I'm on the street or driving, I can see these people making signs or cursing like words. That is why I experience here in America. My daughter is afraid because the crimes are mostly committed against seniors. I am afraid that I might be lost from them. Even going out of the house to throw the trash, I'm already afraid that somebody may be lurking behind the bush. I love here in America because of the diversity. But then I realized that there is still that racial discrimination. It is embedded into the psyche or the history of the American life. We have to go beyond race. We have to talk about class. America is a class society, and each class has its own position in society. But most of this mentality or position that they uphold are sometimes dictated from the top. We have to be aware of that because we might look at each other as enemies. If we can mobilize the different classes into one goal or objective, which is the survival of this country, then perhaps we can say that we have achieved our goal. Where are we going to go from here?